Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to recover the recently deleted post on your Instagram. Now if you want to recover the deleted post on your Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Instagram app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the stories which the people have kept on at the very upper taskbar. So click on the option of your profile icon, which is at the very bottom right, and in this page you will see various options at the upper taskbar. So click on the option of three straight lines at the upper right side, and in this page you just need to click on the option of your activity. Under your activity you will see the option like, comments, tags, sticker response, reviews and recently deleted. So click on the option of recently deleted, and here you will see the post which you have recently deleted from your account. So click on it again, and from here you may simply click on the option of three straight dots which is next to the photo at the very top right of the photo. So after clicking on it you will see the option of restore and delete. So click on the option of restore, and it says if you deleted it from your profile, great people will be able to see it and interact with again. So click on the option of restore. So after clicking on the option of restore you will see the option of restore at the very bottom right. So you may simply click on the option of your profile icon, and the post will be available on your feed after some minutes. So as you can see, the post is available on my feed again. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.